Changing your username on Reddit is a topic that often comes up. And while it might seem like it's a straightforward process, there is a crucial point to be aware of. Unlike many other online platforms, Reddit has a specific policy regarding usernames, and it's essential to understand it. And in fact, it does not provide a direct way for users to alter their usernames once they have been initially established during the account creation process. When you first register on Reddit and carefully select a username to represent yourself within the community, that choice is unfortunately permanent. Once chosen, your username cannot be modified, altered, or changed in any way at a later time. However, this does not mean you're entirely without options for personalizing your Reddit presence. While you're unable to change your core username, you have the ability to modify your display name, which serves a different, though related purpose. Your display name is what is prominently shown on your Reddit profile page alongside your comments and posts within the various subreddits. So, in order to change that, tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, then go to Settings. Now, from the Settings page, you need to go ahead, tap on your profile, then there you'll see the section of display name in the top. Go ahead and tap on that. Then enter your display name according to your preference. Then tap on Save in the bottom. The Reddit's policy regarding the permanent username is in place to help maintain clarity and prevent potential confusion. It helps to ensure consistency in user identities throughout the various discussions, conversations, and communities across the Reddit platform. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.